332 years ago, on the fateful morning of June 7, 1692, an earthquake, said to be divine in nature, shattered the Eden estate in Llandewey, St. Thomas, burying homes and lives in a catastrophic landslide. This site, presently known as Judgement Cliff, carries with it a tale of divine retribution. But is this tale of divine retribution a mere myth or a monumental truth?
I was informed that they used to have a plantation up there run by a serious, wicked slave master. Imposed draconian measures on the farmers, and one of the reasons why they resided on the cliff, that in case the slave wanted to run away, they would have difficulty in doing so.
Them say when it happens at night, well, what I really know is they say a man, a rooster, and a bull.